Hello guys, as you can see I'm growing back, and I'm growing back rather well. Doubled in power from being zeroed. I'm now 14 million power. The regrow is working well and I'll be back on it. I'm already feeling the need to fight. I got a good amount of troops back and my hero is back, so I'm ready to go. I just want to sort a few more things out just to make sure I'm even stronger, and then that's it, anarchy. I just want to thank a few people and a few kingdoms for some direct support from them. I want to thank MSQ1, the King of Kingdom 1227, King of Kingdom 217, King of Kingdom 58, and the support of Kingdoms 504, 1507, 507, 508, 228, 58, 1368, 1227, Kingdoms 45 and Kingdom 345. Thank you all for your support and all the messages and everything that's enabled me to regrow. Yes, TEU, my alliance and me, we are not alone in Kingdom 269. Our battle and fight against about 2.5 billion power of, let's be fair, direct Chinese enemy. That is what it is, it's the truth. But we are supported not just in this kingdom but by many kingdoms across this game. Awesome. Can't thank you enough. The wars will restart very shortly.